Ma'am, may sama na loob kayo kay Mayor.
Personally, nalulungkot lang ako kasi he was been my mayor for 6 years. Kilala ko siya, kilala niya ako, at kilala ko ang ating mayor. Kaya hindi naman siguro sama kundi nalulungkot lang kung bakit kami nagkakaganitong dalawa, magkakilala naman kami. Siguro lang, mali lang information ang nafi-feed sa kanya, kaya hindi niya rin siguro masyado nalalaman. Dapat kasi, being a mayor for 6 years, alam niya ang paper flow kung paano dumarating sa office. At yung administrator, siguro si Attorney Scott, bago-bago pa siya kasi, dapat tinanong niya muna, paano ba ang process ng papel para he's not barking on the wrong tree, di ba? Kasi pagdating sa akin, it was been requested, it was been certified by the budget officer, and for me, it's just to check whether the expenditures that were brought to my office is valid, legal, or complete in supporting documents. That is my responsibility. When I answered the memorandum that was stated, that was given to me by the mayor, ang sabi nila kasi I was charged of dishonesty dahil hindi daw nila naintindihan. Yung sagot ko, hindi ko daw sila na-convince na mabuti. So they charged me of dishonesty, which is unfair, di ba? Kasi tatlo lang ang klase ng tao eh. Yung mga dapat alam mo at gusto mong intindihin, o kaya talagang nakaplano na kami ay i-charge, o kaya mahina talaga ang comprehension nila, hindi ko nakasalanan yon. They are not an accountants, di ba? Dapat sana tinanong kami mabuti what happened. Kasi yung mga kine-question nila, the same true na nangyari during this term. And then Mayor Enzo came, we explained, diba? Tapos naintindihan niya. Hindi kami biniblame because we're just an employees doing our job. When I answered, I have stated our individual responsibility from the requesting official to make the expenditures valid, and the responsibility of the budget officer who controls the budget, and the responsibility of the accountant who would check the propriety, the legality, and completeness of the documents. That's my responsibility. As to the management of fund, kung gusto nilang bayaran o hindi yan, it is the responsibility of the municipal treasurer. Bakit kami sinisingle na dalawa ni budget? And that is questionable, di ba? If you want to know the truth, you ask the treasurer. Bakit niya babayaran? Kasi kami, in accounting parlance, you obligate. Diba? We have to consider all the expenditures if it is legal. It's up for the treasurer to pay. Now, if there are no collections, according to the mayor, diba, do not issue a check. And it will become an obligation. That is what we call accounts payable. Kaya mayroon tayong accounts payable dyan. Kahit babayaran mo, kahit hindi magsuldo yung mga empleyado, siguro kung yan ang gusto nila, in 10 years, hindi yan mabubura ang accounts payable. Kaya nagtataka kami, why they put blame to the budget officer, to the accountant? Why not ask the treasurer? When there is a meager collection of income, it is not my duty. I am an accountant. I am not a collector. I am not the treasurer. I am not even holding money or checks in our municipality. So that it hurts me so much.
So yung pong palagay, bakit hindi nasasakindi ang treasurer? Where you're supposed to be ay isama siya dyan?
Hindi ko alam. Siguro mas malapit sa kanya, mas kaibigan niya kaysa amin. Siguro ang makakasagot lang yan, it's the mayor. Kasi alam mo, in all the responsibility in our municipality, kung talagang you want the truth, it is a collective responsibility. It's not only 1 or 2 or 3 person, all the signatories. You have to ask them, you charge them everything, and the truth will come out.
Last question, ma'am. Sinasabi kasi ni Mayor na he wanted to clear his name. At yung charge sa inyo, Ms. Kat, ay parang dishonest sa mga tinatanggal niya. I heard that meron akong 23 na mga floating na mga employees aside from one termination and two preventively suspended. So, dishonest ang paratang sa inyo, parang siya naman malinis ang kanyang pangalan. As an accountant for several years, ano ho ang pwede nyo may comment nyo?
Alam naman niya ang sarili ni Mayor. He knows himself. He knows me well. And I know him very much. Siya na lang ang makakasabi.
Ma'am, are you filing moral damages against Mayor Rosario?
Yeah.
Hindi
lang moral damage siguro kasi yung mga pinagkakagawa niya, di ba? We are being under trial by publicity. Actually, sa amin, yung mga accountants, parang naiintindihan nila, how about those laymen? Ang akala nila, kinakain namin yung pundo kung saan namin kinuha. Oo. So, ang masakit lang doon, yung mga tao na nakakakilala, and they are destroying the integrity of...
Ma'am, sabi niyo, you know probably the mayor, alam niya yung sarili niya.
Yeah.
You know very well. Wala ba kayong nakakapansin na probably previously meron din siyang problema or ano, anything that pwede ma-expose?
Tanungin niya na lang sa kanya.